so I need to be as quiet as I can be, so I'm hoping that you're going to be able to hear me. I'm packing because, and we're very late at night, it's about midnight, I'm packing to go away. We're going away for about 4 or 5 days with Frankie, Jack and Gary, and I just wanted to show you my packing methods. I know, at 12 o'clock at night, I'm an absolute idiot, aren't I? Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, please, and don't forget to write your comments in the section below. If you've got some brilliant tips that you want to give for packing, then let everybody know on the YouTube family as well, and of course I'll pick them up as well. They're good tips and I'm definitely going to be using them. So I'm going to show you with packing with Frankie Jack, but I do this exactly the same with myself and with Gary. How many other people pack for their fellas? Anyway, let's crack on. So first of all, what I do is I have to look at the weather, because we're going out to London, but it's supposed to be a very good weekend. So the weather's supposed to be quite good, but it's an absolute pain in the neck if it's not going to be good weather, because I go mad with coats, which means that we have bigger suitcases. Obviously when you pack for the summer, your suitcases are always better, aren't they, because they're always lighter because you've got less clothing. So I've got Frankie Jack's suitcase out. He has a little really long suitcase that he absolutely loves and goes mad for. It's the New York one by IT or IT. By the way, if anybody knows where I can get the big version of this from, this suitcase, please let me know, because I forgot to get it when they were selling. I only got the little one. So my friend got him PJ Masks towels, and they've got his name on it, Frankie Jack. So we're staying at my brother's to start off with, so I'm going to take towels down for that. Then he always, or where is it? I always use a flannel to wash him, so he's got his little Mickey Mouse one. And then there's 2 sides to this suitcase. I'm going to pull you down in a minute so you can see what I'm doing. But first of all, what I would normally do is go through in my head what I think I'm going to be taking, and then I would normally write a list. So saying for me, for going to Spain, I'm an absolute idiot for wearing a different bikini every single day. So I would start with my day outfit, and I would put what bikini, what sarong, what flip-flops, what hair bobble. I know, I go totally ATT. What outfit if we go out during the day, and what sunglasses I'm going to wear. So I tend to, and then at night time it'd be what handbag. And then what I try and do is get all the outfits and then try and get one neutral handbag that will go with all of them. But obviously that's not for Frankie Jack. So I'm going to pull you down here, and so you can see everything that I've already sorted for him. So his outfit for tomorrow is up on here, and then he will always have, if I can, he will always have matching socks to go with this. So if it is something like this, I would put with it. In fact, those will go with it. I can have those ones for tomorrow. And then obviously a pair of underpants and his vest, and then I would always put some coat that would go with that. So his outfit is matching. For his shoes, he's either going to be wearing these, which match, or he's going to be wearing his little what they call his Timberlands. So I haven't yet decided yet. It'll be when we wake up in the morning. But for the rest of his outfit, so I'll go through his wardrobe, see what he's got, and then I will start building his outfits together. And I've been downstairs on ironing tonight, just trying to put together what I'm going to do for him. So here goes. So this is his suitcase, and as you can see, his clothes are all laid out. So So what I would do, so just take on, so we're going away for 5 days, but one of the days he'll be in his outfit. So here are his pajamas. He always, and we're away for 4 nights, so I always put him in a pair of pajamas for 2 nights. So he's got 2 pair of pajamas, and I'll put those in the top part of the case, which is by his flannel and his a towel. He also loves his sunnies, does Frankie Jack. So I've packed 3 different types of sunglasses because I've looked at all his sunglasses, all his outfits that he's got, and those 3 will go with them. Now I don't know whether I'll get all 3 in here. But these were only £1 from Primark, and I even got some of them for 50p in the sale. Because he's broken that many pairs, I would never ever buy him a really good pair of sunnies, because he just can't be trusted. So those will actually go in my handbag, but for now I'm just going to put them in the suitcase, so if I do forget them and don't put them in my handbag, at least I'll put them in the suitcase. Then I'll take his outfit for day 1 is already hung up, so then he's got a vest. I'm pretty particular about what underpants he wears. I like him to be in a really good pair. So he's got Timberlands. Yes, he's a very spoilt boy. Then he's got a red pair of trousers, and he's got a denim shirt. And then, oh, that's got, because I've just ironed that tonight, so that's annoying me that I've creased it there. And then he's got a pair of red and blue socks, so he's matching. So I'm going to put this on this side of his suitcase, and then he can either wear, and I'll be packing both of these, he can either wear his little navy boots, or he can wear his little Levi trainers, like Converse-y type thing. So then what I would do is, if I got the vest, I would then pack the outfits together. So this is the same if he's going away with Granny and Grandpa, if he's going away with my mum, so they're all together, so you know exactly where to go for them. On the next day, I've got him a shirt, I've got him a pair of jeans, I've got him 2 pairs because I also think that he's going to be playing out with his cousins, so I've got an extra pair just in case he gets dirty. He's got a t-shirt to go underneath, his shirt to go over the top, his little pair of Timberlands, red socks to go with it, and a vest. And for that outfit, he'll definitely be wearing those ones or those ones again. Now, as well as I'm going along, I also sort his coats out, and his coats will go at the top of the case because I've pulled this out to make it a little bit bigger. On one of the days, we're hoping that we're going to be going up the Shard. So I want to go for afternoon tea. So I've got him a smart little outfit where he's got like a golfy type shirt with a pair of blue jeans, blue socks, and his blue undies. So he's all matching, and that will go there. By the way, just so I don't forget, he also has his own little aftershave, so I need to go and put that in his wash bag. And for that, he's going to wear some little Chelsea boots with that outfit. And then for the 4th day, I've got vest. He's got a Mickey Mouse top, which he'll wear with a tartan shirt, and he will also wear some green jeans with this, or some mustard jeans if they're done in the washing time. I've just put them on, and also some green underpants, and then I'll bob them there as well. And then I've got a couple more pairs of socks and another vest that's a little bit warmer, although we shouldn't have problems with the weather. So then what I'll do is I will pack all his shoes on that side. I'll probably put actually his pyjamas on this side, and then pack all his shoes in there. So he's taking 1, 2, 3 pairs, and he might be in his Timberlands. He's taking those boots with him, and then he's also got all his coats as well. And then I'll also put together his wash bag. It'll just have 1 wash bag, and this is the routine I do with everybody in the house, and this is so I don't forget anything. So every single day is mapped out, and that means that you don't, well, I can't say you don't take too much stuff because I'm absolutely horrendous for taking, but I believe that if you're going on holiday, you want to look your best because you've spent all that money. Well, this is just a quick trip anyway, but you've spent all your money, you want to look your best. That's what I believe. So you should be able to take what you want, but obviously pack as well as you possibly can. You've probably seen on YouTube better packers than me. However, that's the way that I normally do it. You're probably wondering why Frankie Jack's not in his own bed and I'm in his bedroom tonight. That's because he's in our bed, cheeky little monkey. Oh, as well, I've got all his hats out as well to go with his outfits. So the red will go with the 2 red outfits, so 3 red outfits that he's got, and the green will go with his tartan, and then I've got that one to go with his mustardy outfit. So there's 3 hats that's packed just in case we have bad weather, but we're not supposed to. We're supposed to be having really good weather. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave your comments in the section below and let us know how you pack and how you get on with it. And if there's any tips that you could add to me, that would be great. But I always iron before I go. I used to iron when I got there and I used to find it a nightmare, so I always iron my stuff. So all mine's ready as well in the on the landing. We packed Gary's tonight as well, so I'm really looking forward to it, and of course I'm going to take you with me. We will be vlogging every single day. I'll see you tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe. Ta-ra!